Good morning students, myself Deena Pujara from Sri Swaminarayan Institute of Technology, MCA department. Today we are making the programs in file. In file we are doing the reading and writing operations in Python. So first of all we are making the program, so click on the file. Here we are making the new file, so click on the new file. First of all save your file, so give save commands. Here I am giving my file name as file op.py. Today I want to do the file operations. So regarding that I am giving my file name file operations. Here I am making the Python file. So that's why I am giving the extension py. So here we are writing the Python code for reading and writing operation in file. So we already discussed in our theoretical part that if we want to read the data from the file, first of all we have to open the file. So here I am making the one object file equal to, you may already know that in Python open function is there. Here you can see that what are the arguments that we have to pass in the open functions. So which file we want to open, so in the double quotes we are giving the path. In that I want to open the file. So in D drive one file that is already available, that is 1.txt. So I want to open that file. After comma I am giving the, by default the mode equal to R for read. So the by default the mode is R. First of all I want to read the contents from the files, so here I am giving the R and close the brackets, because of I don't want to give the another arguments, so here I am closing it. So the syntax is file equal to open. After that we are giving the file locations from where we have to read the files, and after that I am giving the mode. Now I want to print all the contents of the file. So in the print I am giving file dot read. Read is the method through which we are reading the whole file. Now save your program. So save your programs, and now we will run our programs. But before that we are going into the D drive, and what we will do, we will check that 1.txt file. Where is my, this is my 1.txt file. Suppose in this file I am write down Sri Swaminarayan Institute of Technology. BE and MCA. These are the departments in my college. So suppose if I am writing BE and MCA. Now save the file and close this file. So in the D drive already 1.txt is there. So going our ideally and click on run, and in the run module we have to run our programs. So here we will see the output, Sri Swaminarayan Institute of Technology BE MCA. So what happens with these commands? With the open commands the file is open in a read mode, and we are reading the contents from the file. Now we are going with the write operations next. Now here I am opening the file only for the read operations. Now I want to open the file in a write operations. So I am writing the commands open, in the bracket we are giving the file locations. My file name is one.txt. Now this time I want to open the file but in the write mode. So here what I am giving? I am giving the W. W is for write mode. Now in Python there is a write method through which whatever is the statement that we want to write in the file, that we have to write. So now we will see how to do that. So what we have to write down? We have to write down file dot write SSIT college near part. Now I want to add these strings. Okay, after completion the work we must close the file. So if we want to close the files, here you can see that the close method is there. So file dot close. Save your programs. Now these are the two lines through which we are opening the files. Write is the command through which we are adding the data into the files, and after that we are closing that file. After doing the write operations, we also want to read the data from the files. Why? Because of we have to check that whether the write operations is doing successfully or not. Click on the run and run modules. But before that I want to save my file. Here you can see that Sri Swaminarayan Institute of Technology, BEMCA. Now what happens in the file? SSIT college near Bhat. Now going into the D drive and we have to check. Now what happens? The write operation is not doing append operations, but it is overwriting into the files. So put it in your minds, whenever we are opening the file in the write mode, in the write mode we are doing the write operations, but whatever is the content that is available in the files, that is removing, and overwriting is done. So how to do the append operations in our file? Let us see that. Now if I want to do the append operations in Python, first of all we are opening the file into the append mode. So here you can see that if I want to do the append operations, so for that I am giving the A in mode. Now in the append mode, if I want to add some data, so write down, suppose in the last line if I want to add Gandhinagar, so I will add these strings in my file. The address of SSIT college, that is Bhat, Gandhinagar. Now after completion the operations I must close the file. So for that file dot close. Now after doing the write operations, the second time I want to open the file and read the contents from the file. So the second time, okay, so clear about that. What we are doing, first of all we are reading the data from the files. After that we are write down SSIT college near Bhat, and after that we are doing the append operations in our file and we are adding the data. Click on save, run our programs. So now here you can see that we already execute our files. So the thing is SSIT College near Bhat, and in the last line Bhat Gandhinagar is added. Now open the file in the D drive. Suppose if I am adding my college name is SSIT, sorry, Swaminarayan Institute of Technology. Now save this file. Now execute our programs second times. So first of all it will read the data. So here I am giving the my college name is SSIT. Second time I am doing the write operations. So SSIT College near Bhat, and here you can see that in the append we are adding the strings Bhat Gandhinagar. So here the Bhat Gandhinagar, that is added at the end. Suppose if I want to add it into the new lines, then what we are giving? Here we are giving the /n. So whatever is the new statement that is adding into the files, that is adding at the end of the tree. So today we will clear about the how to open the file and how to do the read and the write operations in the files. So all of you make one program. Today we learn how to read the data from the text files. Okay, in the next lecture we will learn how to read the data by using the read line, read lines, and with the help of with statements. Okay, if you are having any query, you can put your query in YouTube channel, our SSIT YouTube channel. You can also put your queries and you can also send me the message. Goodbye, take care.